Welcome, welcome. It's just really fun to be back for a year of great ideas, simple. And so for me, these are all about being simple, quick, easy, and just inspiring. So we're going to start off with one of the simplest patterns we have. It's new. It's 323 Elies Shirred Cowl top. Now, this is from PBS. This is our companion pattern to series 1200. And I'm telling you, when I found this top, I fell in love with it because I have some check marks. It's easy, it's fast, it's flattering for all figure types. It just checks all the boxes. And so this pattern is perfect. It's 3 pieces, front, back, sleeve. The shirring in the cowl, and I know you can't see it in black, so we're gonna, I took pictures of it on a mannequin beforehand so that you could get a good look at it. It's just simply so good. It's so good. We're going to take a look at this first one, and you're going to see the cowl extends all the way through the body. And why that's so flattering is because, we don't want a negative ease in this particular case, but it is a knit. So it's close to the body. It has this beautiful draping that goes all the way through. And then because in this next picture we'll show you, because there's elastic at the side, what it does is it picks up all that shirring, but done so easy but so beautifully. The elastic picks up all the shirring along the side, so that shirring continues all the way down through the blouse. Now, depending on different fabrics that you used, I used this black velvet. Black velvet is still really popular through winter. It's not stopping at the holidays. It hasn't for a few years. It's been popular year-round. And I paired it with leggings, just some jean leggings, because it's a home run. It's that classic black top and jeans, but it's just a really pretty, really nice look. Casual, comfortable, but really like a notch up. And then I'm going to show you one more picture of this top on the mannequin from the side, just so you can kind of see again that beautiful shirring that goes all the way through the top. Because it's a knit, it doesn't matter which way it's placed on the fabric, so you don't have to use up a lot of yardage. It just takes a couple yards is all. And then it's one for the top. The front is on the fold, the back is on a fold. All the darts are built into this cowl, so there's no cup sizing necessary. You'll just see that it's simple to do. And so it's up close to the neck, but it's not a turtleneck, and I love that. I'm not a big fan of turtlenecks, in case you haven't figured that out. But anyway, so the goal was to really expose you to this pattern, expose you to some great fabric that would work well with it, and let you see how quickly and easily this could be yours. The other thing I wanted to show you was the Queen Mary of Denmark. She's just been coronated the Queen, had a beautiful dress on her coronation, and I wanted to show it to you. And this is a picture of it, mainly because it's our fit and flare. It's 4222 fit and flare. And all they've done is, of course, added a belt. You could add a belt in many different ways. We can make lots of them. We can add a made-on belt. But then you see that sash, and what it does is I imagine it's about 12 inches wide. It's sheared in to the waist, and then it goes up around the neck and then back over the shoulder and drapes. So the simplicity is off the charts. If you made that drape about 2 yards long, at the very most, 2 yards, put it at your waist, put it up, put it around your neck. It doesn't have to be tight. It doesn't have to be stitched on. Throw it over your shoulder. You could see that it could be shorter, longer. There could be so many variables to it. It could be a sheer on top of a solid. I just thought the look was outstanding and yet so simple to accomplish. So just a couple ideas for you here. Happy sewing, keep sewing, and Happy New Year 2024. We'll see you next time. Bye.